My name is Alex, and in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys my second ever attempt on a taper fade. My first attempt wasn't that great, but if you guys do want to check that out, I'll leave that linked in the card section above. But without any further ado, here is my second ever attempt on a taper fade. To start this fade, I'm going to be removing the bulk around the sides and back of my head with the number 2 guard lever open. Using my wall beard trimmer with the T-blade on it, I'm going to be creating a rainbow shape by my temple for the initial guideline. This is one of the most important parts of the haircut. Make sure the highest point on this rainbow shaped guideline does not go past your ear. Now with the no guard lever open, I'm going to be going up about ½ an inch, following the exact same rainbow shape. Using the half guard lever open, I'm going up another ½ an inch, and then right behind that, I'll be using the half guard lever closed to flick out the hard line from the no guard lever open. With the number 1 guard lever open, do the exact same thing, go up another ½ an inch, still working with that rainbow shape, and come up behind the guideline with the number 1 guard lever closed to flick out that hard line. For the last guard, using the number 1½ guard lever open, go up another ½ an inch, but also scoop the clipper up and away from your head to create a blending effect. Right here, I'm just doing some minor thinning shear work to blend in the hair on these sides a little bit better to the hair on top of my head. Now that one side is complete, you want to do the exact same steps on the other side of your head. Remove the bulk with the number 2 guard lever open, and then gradually work your way up the clipper guards, going up ½ an inch for each new guideline. Then come behind the guideline with the lever closed to flick out the hard line. 360 look. I don't know about you, but man, does this taper fade look super fresh and super clean. It's definitely my best taper fade in 2020. If you guys like it, please smash that like button and let YouTube know to share this with other viewers. If you are new to my channel, make sure you click on the subscribe button down below and click on the post notifications as well to never miss a new video. But before you guys go, make sure you pick up some of my brand new merch. This is the all-white classic tee with the logo that I personally drew, and I'm not an artist, so I think it looks pretty sweet. I've also got the "This is my self-haircutting" shirt, and then the "You had me at I can save you money" t-shirt. Both of these two shirts come in whatever color you guys want, and this shirt only comes in white. Make sure you guys pick up some merch today to help support my YouTube channel. I really appreciate all of you guys' support. Thank you so much for watching. But I'll catch you next time. Peace!